And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where we talk about foreign exchange trading, and prop firm trading, and making money doing all those things. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get into the risk disclaimer screen, since we're going to be getting into some trades and showing real trades and stuff like that. It goes something like this. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some of all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And I'm also here with Henry, the Forex trading parakeet, and he just bit me, so that's what that owl was all about. He does that sometimes. And here's the CFTC risk disclosure right here. I'm a little under the weather today, so bear with me. CFTC risk disclosure goes like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. We're also going to be talking about trading some futures today too, a little bit, because it's I like gold and silver, because gold and silver are going through the roof. We'll talk about that in just a minute. Let's go ahead and go over here and see what's going on. And I have not. Let's see what's next. Now look at that. I'm still in there. So showing still positive on both of my challenges. Oh, I need to. Why is that Russian? Why does it go to Russian? I don't know why. That's not it. It's not a Russian company. They're based out of London, as far as I know. That's what they tell me. They're based out of London. So we'll see about that. And here we go. We have no data yet on that one. We have winning trades, yay. And we're up $952 on the trade. The goal is to hit to 3,300. Yeah, 3,000 on the trade. Get that number to 3,000, and then lo and behold, we will be entering the second phase of the trading, the confirmation that I know what I'm doing. And then I just have to hit a 5% profit on that one, and then after that we're funded by Audacity Capital. On this one over here, we just have to hit 2750, and then we are funded. So we're working on that one too. It's a one-phase challenge. Let's go ahead and get into what's going on today. Let's go back to where we usually start, which is here. I'm going to start with oil though. Oil is very interesting right now. Oil is right there at 57.83 and is not showing any many signs of picking up. Which I'm finding very interesting. I'm not sure what is driving the oil markets right now. Unless it's a lack of demand. I can't imagine that. Or it's drilling by the United States. We may be drilling more. I don't know. I don't have that information. I can find it, but I can't find that information. Okay, so I put this pitchfork up here yesterday just to see what would happen. Just to see if it would break out of the pitchfork, the DXY. And it did. Which does not make me happy. Because I'm going to take it off now since it's immaterial. And I still have my daily 4-hour support and resistance lines right there, which are pretty much moot at this point. We'll see if we can't get those drawn in a little bit better on Sunday. And my leg itches. The what have we got going on here? We have the dollar sliding into down. It's down to 98.50, which is not what I had in mind, but hey, it's not, markets don't care what I want. They only do what they want to do. Here we have the euro versus the dollar. Euro versus the dollar is starting to hit this 117.14 or 117.24 area, which is a point of major resistance for it, or has been a point of major resistance for it in the past. It did exceed it back here in September the 16th. Let's see what the DXY was then. DXY went to September 16th, went all the way down to here, all the way down to 96.57. I don't see that slide continuing here. I do see strong support here, actually here also. So I don't see the DXY sliding much more. At least I hope not, because I'm on the other side of that trade. right here with the pound. Pardon me, dollar versus the yen. Dollar versus the yen. I am in at 156.14. I thought it was going to bounce off of that area and continue going further. I was wrong. It slid down to 155.68, and I am starting both my accounts right now. Not as bad as it was. It's down to 63, so it's bouncing off that. This is a silver trade right here. I'm trying out a little bit of silver trade because I love silver. And because silver is now 1 ounce of silver. This little thingy right here is worth more than a barrel of crude oil at the current market. Interesting. Let's see. After that, we'll go to the pound versus the yen. Pound versus the yen is kind of creeping into this level of, and we've got a nice doji forming right there, which of course it has 9 more hours to show before it goes into a turnaround signal, a reversal signal. So we'll see if that holds up. Pound versus the yen right here, 208.36. Got a nice pullback on that one too. Pound versus the euro versus the yen, pullback and then recovery on that one. Interesting. So that might be a way to come back into that trade in a day or two, maybe Monday or Sunday. I don't think tomorrow is going to, unless it just whipsaws back up. That'd be kind of good, as long as the dollar also did that. Dollar versus the Canadian down to 138.03. That is a major downside, and it's also hitting this support bar, support level too. With our Forex support line, which is also interesting. See if it holds up, bouncing off of that. It's interesting how they how everything bounces off off these lines. I think the price. I think James Stanley said it best Tuesday when he said that in his opinion, price makes the event, not the event makes the price. So here we have the Canadian versus the yen, and again, in line with the downside on the oil prices, that is down too. Aussie versus the dollar. There's fire somewhere. Aussie versus the dollar. It's major pullback on that too. Interesting candle on that one. Came all the way down to here, then bounced back. For what reason, I'm not sure. Gold versus the yen. Pardon me, gold versus the dollar. I don't want to gold versus the yen. We don't know what that is. It's right here. It's 42.19. Again, not really going anywhere. We do see a headline here of South African gold production slips in October, which could drive prices higher. And then here we have silver. Silver is just off to the races right now. Big long extension off of that. Double top. It's not a double top because it did not continue the trend downward. It's just a two attempts at a breakout, and then it finally broke out here from 54. Kind of hung around here at 58 for a little while, and then took off into 62.26. All-time high right now is at 62.92. So we still have a long way to go. If it hits 63 today, I'll make me a very, very happy man. So with that, that's really all I've got today. That's you see my trades right here. I've got kind of a leftover, a hangover from yesterday, and then we have silver right here. So we'll see if we can't make some money on those today and continue our quest into becoming a funded trader. In the meantime, that's all I got for today. I am going to be resting today and seeing what's happening. Basically, I may take a nap. I'm exhausted. You guys have a great one, and I will talk with you later. Bye. Oh yeah, if you like this video, then by all means like the video. If you don't like the video, then go to something else. Because this is also reflective of my trading journey. This is not so much an instructional type thing. This is more so just showing, it's mainly for me. So I'm going to keep making these. But if you want to see when more of these videos come out, then by all means, then subscribe to the channel. If you would like, if you have any comments, by all means comment. I will return my comments as soon as I can. I'm not as on top of those as I could be, but I could be better at it. But you guys have a great one, and I will talk with you later. Bye.